Not wearing a seatbelt at the time of your accident in some states may drastically affect the value of your claim. In Texas, for example, it can be argued that the severity of your injuries was directly related to your failure to wear a seatbelt. But remember this: if you were involved in an accident that was not your fault, regardless of whether you were wearing a seatbelt or not, you need to call an experienced lawyer today. If you would like more information on this subject or answers to any other questions, visit my website at theinsiderslegalguide.com and request your free copy of my book, The Biggest Mistakes Drivers Make After an Accident.